Sarap ng hangin. Sarap din ng tubig. Oo, ng bike na Alcid. Para lang tayong nasa probinsya. Ano po? Hoy, mahulog ka! Hoy, hari-buri! We're here in Fish Creek! Right, Alcid?
Yes.
And today is June 1. Almost 8 in the evening. And there's still daylight. Right, Alcid?
Yes.
Yeah. Great job, Alcid. Woo. So, they're fishing. It's really good.